In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to improve navigation and enhance the user experience by helping visitors easily find the information they're looking for. With that said, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Wix website editor. This is your main workspace for website creation and management. Once you're in the editor, look for the left-hand panel where all your tools are located. Next, click on Pages and Menu. This section is crucial because it holds the layout and structure of your entire site. Here you'll see an overview of all your web pages and the current menu configuration. Moving on, you need to click on Site Menu. This will bring up a list of your menu items, allowing you to manage how they appear and function. The aim here is to link one of your menu items to an anchor, so you'll need to choose the page that contains the anchor you want to link to. Once you've identified the right menu item, you're going to click on the three dots next to it. This opens up a small menu where you'll see an option labeled Change Link. Go ahead and click that. Now we are going to select Section or Anchor. This option allows you to link directly to a specific section of a web page rather than an entirely different page. It's especially useful if you have a long scrolling page and you want to guide visitors directly to the part they're most interested in. Select this option to proceed. Once you do that, a new panel will appear, prompting you to choose which page the anchor is on. Make sure you're selecting the correct page, as this will directly affect where the menu item will take your visitors. After you've picked the right page, you'll need to specify where exactly on that page the anchor is located. This is where the magic happens. Your menu item becomes a direct route to a specific section of your web page. Finally, don't forget to click on Done. This step is critical as it saves all your changes and makes sure the modifications are applied to your site. And there you have it. Your menu item is now effectively linked to an anchor within your site. Congratulations on enhancing your site's navigation. By following these steps, you've made it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for, ensuring a smooth and satisfying user experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the other features Wix has to offer for your website building needs.